Hey guys, it's Bianca and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I unpack my old kits to my new Zuka bag kit bag. So I hope you guys are super keen as I am. I literally just received it 15 minutes ago, so I am like super excited. I think I'm the only person in the world who finds packing and repacking their kits and organizing their kits super soothing, super exciting. I love playing with my kits and putting stuff and organizing my kit. But anyway, enough about that. So the man of the show today is my Zuka bag. I hope you guys can see. So this is the Kryolan and Zuka bag collaboration. So I had gotten this bag off the Kryolan South Africa website. This bag is the Pro bag, which is exactly the same as the Zuka online. And so I paid 2.8 for this, 140 rand shipping. So in total nearly came up to 3k, which is less than half, which is more than half from what a Zuka Pro cost on the actual Zuka website. So the reason why it is this price is because it is a collaboration, so two brands coming to one, and I think Kryolan did an amazing job by giving us makeup artists an opportunity to get a bag as good quality as this, so we can actually afford a bag like this. So without further ado, let's get started. So I haven't put anything in my kits. I want to do it with you guys. So let's start from the back. So on the back you have a place for a business card or your label, so that if your bag, God forbid, ever gets lost or stolen, your details can be on the back. I just shoved a business card there because it has all my details, my email, etc. It has a pocket here and another pocket there. It also has another handle for you to grip onto. Then moving on from the side, both sides are identical. You get a small zipper, a large zipper which is quite deep, it's almost the size of the bag, and then you get a pouch as well. So if you flip to the other side, you'll see that it is exactly the same. Small zipper, big zipper, and then a pouch. And then you can actually sit on this. This can hold up to 300 pounds, which is 136 kilograms. So if you are waiting for your client or you're in the airport or whatever, you can sit on this. And you also, if you don't have a chair for your client to sit on, they can sit on this. It probably is really low, but it's better than like one of those low stools that most people have in their homes. So yeah, so this is the Kryolan branding, but on the zippers it says Zuka. So you open this up and you get a large zipper in front. So you open it like this and it opens up like a door. So here you can see the pouches, there's the Zuka branding, lots of zips, lots of pouches, and then you get a cover which covers the whole entire Zuka bag, so it protects it from damage. It also has space here and a few other pouches on the back as well. So yeah, this is super handy for when you're traveling and you don't want to damage your bag. It's also nice, so it protects the frame. Also, when you're on the plane, it probably also adds a little bit of padding as well. So super excited that I got to get this one. Also on the back there is space for your information as well. So in total you get 5 pouches. So you get, I think, 4 large ones and 1 small one. So I think that is a sufficient amount of space for all your stuff. So it has Kryolan Professional Makeup, and then it has Zuka on the sides. I think, yeah, the big ones have labels on them to write what you have in your little bags. The small one doesn't though, but they all also have handles, which is cool. So I know that there is a Zuka flyer which probably can fit in this way, but I think it all fits the same. This is just handles for grabbing, I guess. So this is what the inside looks like. There is also a netting here, which I'm probably going to put my towel or my brushes. Yeah, so let us begin packing our kit. So this looks like it's going to last you a really long time. It is made out of like a strongish plastic material, which means it also is waterproof, so it won't damage the material of the bag, which I'm so down for. And it also looks like it's super easy to wipe down and clean. So I think for this one I'm going to be putting my lip products in. And bearing in mind, guys, I also have a carry-on bag which is for it's mostly like my tiny stuff, but I think I'm also going to have a lot more space for other stuff. So as you can see, that's just what it looks like. I've got a whole bunch of lipsticks. This is my lip liner bag. This actually isn't all of my lipstick, so it looks like I still have a bit of room though, so that's good. So this is going to be the skincare bag. Probably could fit a bunch of other stuff in here as well. Got my isopropyl alcohol, some rose juice setting spray from Kryolan. I mean not Kryolan, Body Shop. Also going to pop in some Aqueous cream and some Body Shop the seaweed mattifying gel, some Vaseline. Also going to throw in here some more cream and setting spray. Next, I think I'm going to put my palettes in this one. These look like they will fit a couple of Morphes. I had been looking online for like reviews and stuff, so these fit your Morphe palettes perfectly. Majority of my kits couldn't fit them, but this looks like it can fit a good amount. I have 5 big palettes in here and they fit perfectly. I was always worried about in the aluminium cases, they usually are quite sturdy, like sturdy in a sense where it applies or gives no form of cushioning. So this fits 5 palettes perfectly. You could probably fit some stuff on the side as well, so I'm really chuffed about that. Then for this pocket over here, I'm going to put some soft stuff in here so that it doesn't squish against here, because it looks like it's quite compact. So that is a really nice place to put your sponges. Then I have 2 more bags to fill. Gosh. I think this is going to be the face, so foundations, concealers, stuff like that. So I'm going to take my Kryolan foundation. Please sponsor me, just kidding. That is the concealer, and then I'm going to take a few of my foundations that I just keep in my kit as well. Got some Elegirl, some Wet n Wild, just stuff that I keep in my kit for just in case, apart from using this. And then I'm also going to put in my strobing and contouring essence thing. You could probably fit in a lot more. I'm like, don't even know if I'll even use all of these bags, to be honest with you. I could probably fit a lot more. And then another concealer. And then I'm also going to shove in some Elegirl concealers as well. There's a Maybelline in one, Fit Me. So I'm just going to pop that in there. That fits quite a bit as well. One bag down to go. I think I'm actually going to add a bit more in here. So bearing in mind this is the smaller makeup case, the fly is a lot bigger and a lot wider, so you could probably fit a lot more. I think it comes with a lot more as well. So I'm just going to pop some more eyeshadows in here and slot that in there. I do have my smaller Okay, next one, I think I'm going to be putting in powders, blushes and stuff like that. So I'm going to take a bunch of powders. These are my Creative Glamour ones. Also powder highlights. This is my Colourpop Luster Dust. I'm going to take a few compact powders, cooler bronzer, my blush from Anastasia Beverly Hills, highlighter from Makeup Revolution. What else can I shove in here? Probably put in a few more color, maybe a color corrector, a bit more concealer. My case, so my carry-on case is like nearly empty. I've nearly emptied my whole entire kit. So all I have left in here is just like my lashes and my grease wheel tape, which I can put in this little section here, and some of those ice cream sticks. And then I have my signature version of the Magic Makeup Gel, which is like nearly finished. I think I can toss that. And then my mastics, which will probably go into my SFX kit. Gosh, yeah, there's still there's still a lot of space in here. On here, put my tape in this pocket here with my ice cream sticks. And then there's still a very large zipper. There is the zipper. Oh, it's in the bottom here. So you open it from the top like that. And you get a large bag that opens up like this. Oh, it's already open. Oh, is it? Oh yeah, it's just a little pouch. Doesn't zip all the way down though, so it only opens up like that. So I'm like, what the hell can I put in here? Probably could put my towel in there. I always carry a hand towel so that I don't mess the clients' tables and stuff like that. But I don't know if that would be too bulky, but whatever. Also nice and probably waterproof, so that's cool. And then to save space, you can zip that back up somewhere, and that makes it like really okay. Maybe not a towel. Maybe then if you look up here, you still have space. So if you want to expand your kit and get maybe 2 or 1 other big one, I just pop this case, and this just has all my earbuds, my sharpener that has exploded, my loose glitters, my lash glue and stuff like that. So I'll probably just pop that, and it fits perfectly. This is a fishing thing from the Crazy store, but you can probably get them from other plastic stores as well. And then I'll probably just put my towel in there, and then there's still this pouch. And then I'll probably pack my brush belt in here. And then wrap my towel up. And there's probably still room in here to fit it in. So that is my Zuka. Oh, I don't think it's gonna fix the, yeah, alcohol has to come out. There's still that room there though. Probably maybe put something flat in there. Okay, yeah, that closes fine. I can even put the sponges on the side here. You can probably put your client diary in there as well. You can even pop your alcohol on the side pockets here. There's just a lot of storage space, which is what made me want to buy this Zuka bag. So yeah, and then you zip it up. And the one thing that I liked about the Zuka bag is that it's very compact. Not in a sense where no space, but the problem with these aluminium cases is that your stuff tends to fly around because there's no cushioning. So one of my blushes actually broke, and then I was like, okay, hold up, that's not cool. Your makeup shouldn't be breaking around in your kits, and also it's quite large. It's like literally the size of my hands, and like this long. So I'll show you guys my carry-on bag that I bring as well. If I had stuffed the Zuka bags a lot more, I probably could have fit all of this inside, but I didn't want to do that. So this is where my beauty blenders will go. The eyeshadow palettes that I didn't put inside my kit. There's a lot more up here as well. So that's fine because those palettes were small. And then I have this section here from that thing where my lashes can go, which is fine. Happy with that. And then here can go my grease paint, my aqua paints, and all of that. And that is my whole entire kit in 2 bags, which is all my makeup, towel, brushes, everything like that. So I'm super stoked because this is from Takeout. This is the Iconics bag, and the problem that I had with this bag is that I actually overloaded this one. So the metal strap on the side broke, so I actually stole it from my boyfriend's sports bag. But that is my whole entire kit. It is such a size down from having this extremely large one, which goes up to this big, and then this can even slide on this over here. So when you're wheeling it, this can slide onto it, and then you can just take this whole thing. So I'm super happy with my Zuka bag. I highly recommend this if you're looking for something very long term. The cases that I had bought and I showed you on my channel before were definitely short term because of the way that they're built. They're not built to last because this aluminium is it's so frail. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I hope I convinced you, because I watched a lot of videos where I tried to convince myself to spend so much on the Zuka bag, and then I watched all the reviews, and every single makeup artist I spoke to was like, you have to get one, and I was like, fine. Super happy. I highly recommend this, and if you want the Zuka branding, you can you can buy from the Zuka directly. Yeah, so I will link the Kryolan website below, and then you guys can see where I got it from, and then you guys can also see the flyer. I personally think that I could probably fit a lot more. I just threw in this stuff in there, but I also still have a lot of space in my carry-on bag. So if you are building your kits as much as I do, I buy makeup monthly and I add it to my kits. This will definitely hold a bit more, and so will my carry-on bag. But if you feel like your kit won't fit, then you should probably go for the flyer, which I believe is a lot. I think it's the same height, but it is a lot wider. So I think it was as wide as the insert. So the inserts could only fit in long ways, and I think it was a lot bigger than that way. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope I convinced you to get one, because these types of videos like literally made me spend all money on this bag. So thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.